This video shows how to buy shares of Vallourec SA, a global tubular steel manufacturer serving energy and industrial markets listed on Euronext as VK.PA. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To trade VK.PA, you need a broker. We use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you will verify your account with an ID and add funds to your balance. Use the platform search box and type the ticker VK.PA to locate Vallourec SA. Select the listing on Euronext that matches the ticker to open the stock page. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm this is Vallourec SA. Make sure the exchange shows Euronext and the ticker VK.PA before proceeding. Tap, trade, or buy. Enter the amount you want to invest. Then review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may be queued, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the trade. After execution, your Vallourec position will appear in your portfolio. Check the video description for a link to eToro if you want to follow the platform example.